Orendes. Luga. Second quarter. 3 points by Escalante. Back-to-back 3 para sa CDO. 26 all ang score. Second deadlock of the ball game. Villaluna. Block. Batia. Good. Hell yeah. Good. Villaluna, 3 points by Bjorn Villaluna. 29-26 mula ng mga tres. Lado. Escalante, no good. Ako na Escalante gapon ng bola. 3, no good. Rebound by LA. Ako ga. Traveling violation. Escalante. Matia. Play. 28-29. Floater basket by Bjorn Villaluna. 31-28. Block.
30 seconds reset on the shot clock.
Three. Traveling violation. Steal. Agaw. Villaluna. So good.
Minutes 30. 40 seconds to shoot. And seconds off the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Play either one.
One out of two by number 16. 29-31. Villaluna. Pass to LA. LA. There's a foul committed by number 0. Number 9. Ahmed Zaid. Orendes. So out of 2 by Casino and ball possession for CDO.
Five seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot.
Legal play. Orendes. Basket. Orendes gets the steal to Bjorn. No look pass. Lumabas. Casinio.
16 seconds to shoot.
Orendes for 3.
Points for Orendes. 34-31, 3 points, 81.
Casinio. 34-31 ang score. Villaluna. Orendes. Back-to-back 3 by Orendes. Erwin. 37-31. Atia. Lazy layup by number 9. Villaluna. Ahmed Zaid. Short. Turnover. Escalante. Dancing. Escalante. No good. Villaluna to Orendes. Another 3. At this time. Power call doon, LA. Escalante. Casinio. Villaluna. Orendes. Favorite spot ni Orendes on the side. Escalante. First throw, basket. 2 for 2 by Escalante. 35-37. Luwang abanse isang Iloilo White. Intercepted. Escalante running.
Second quarter, 2 minutes. Shot clock 7.
3 points. 2 points. 3 points by Casinio. Change favor. Now to CDO. Estral to Chica. Cross-court pass. No good. Estral. Foul.
To go for half number 1.
First throw. Basket. The ball is tied at 38 apiece. Last throw. 2 for 2 by Ace Maestral. 39-38. Casinio. Block. What a block. Steal. Casinio with a basket by Casinio. 40-39. Balik sa City ang Abate. With less than a minute remaining in the first half. For 3 points by Cadon. 42-40. Casinio. Tumusot. Out of bounds. 3 points by Escalante. Balik sa City ang Abate. 43-42. What a game for this guy. 14 seconds, last ball for Iloilo White. Gadong taking his time. Drop pass. Foul. 2 free throws awarded to Maestral. First throw. Basket. Last attempt to take the lead. 2 out of 2 by Maestral. 44-43. End of the first half. 44-43 in favor of the Iloilo White.